ladies and gentlemen. It is my privilege to welcome you to the 2025 Annual Stockholders Meeting of SM Prime Holdings Incorporated. Thank you for being here today as we review our company's performance and discuss the roadmap for our continued growth. 2024 was a defining chapter in our corporate history. We marked our 30th year with strong momentum and delivered record-breaking results for the second year in a row. We also reached significant milestones and earned multiple recognitions, affirming our industry leadership and commitment to excellence. Across 3 decades of shaping the Filipino experience, we have repeatedly turned complexity into opportunity, and our business outcomes in 2024 stood as another testament to that enduring adaptability. Despite headwinds in the residential and office sectors, we leveraged the strength and synergies of the SM ecosystem to deliver sustained growth in all segments of our portfolio. As a result, we recorded double-digit growth in consolidated revenue and net income. Equally important, we managed our operating costs, allowing margins to improve. Year on year, our top line grew 10% to over 140 billion pesos, while our bottom line expanded 14% to an all-time high of over 45 billion pesos. Our exceptional performance was driven by strong rental income growth, higher residential revenue recognition, and increased uptake of our service and experiential offerings. Malls remain the cornerstone of our financial performance, contributing the largest share of both revenues and net income. Meanwhile, our residential, office, and hotel businesses together represented over 40% of our consolidated results. Let me now go over the individual performance of each segment. Our mall business advanced 9%, nearing 70 billion pesos, driven by strong gains in rental income and entertainment revenues. Momentum was propelled by higher foot traffic, the opening of 2 new malls, the entry of international retail brands, a strong cinema lineup, and a growing demand for immersive, experience-led spaces. These trends reaffirm the continued relevance of malls in the Philippines. Since the pandemic, SM malls have evolved into integrated lifestyle centers, offering a mix of everyday essentials and discretionary retail alongside civic services, entertainment, and social spaces that meet the evolving needs of communities. Our residential segment grew over 9%